My name's Alan Hart, and today I've got some videos from subscribers. Absolutely shocking videos today. I've got a shocking unvented cylinder installation. There's a back boiler, really dangerous back boiler. There's some dangerous boilers, and we've got some other bits and bats as well in this video. Please add some comments below, like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff if you can. So I'd like to thank Ian Thatcher from IT Plumbing and Heating for these first videos that I'm going to show you now. So yeah, let's go and have a look.
I was asked to look at this job. Basically, the boiler breakdown in this establishment needs lots of hot water. So somebody was repairing the boiler and they asked me to look at this hot water cylinder. Basically, he asked someone several years ago to install basically a direct system just in case the boiler broke because they need continuous hot water. Now the access to this loft is incredibly hard. You've got to go through a loft access above a shower through a false ceiling. Now that's the current cylinder at the minute. There's no immersion point on that, hence why I wanted something with an immersion heater to basically be a backup. So somebody put this thing in. So as a start, the wiring isn't fantastic and it basically blew the fuse spur. But if you actually look at the installation, well, the first start of all is the D1 is done in plastic badly. Then if you look at the state of the D2, it's fed in overflow pipe which goes directly to these. To make it even worse, bear in mind the D2 has to increase in size over the length. If it gets that bad, it goes through a stop tap and then to 15mm and out the wall. So, but the worst thing about it is to get this to work. This cylinder is low pressure, that cylinder is high pressure. To get that to work, you would have to come into the loft and work out which gate valve to shut. So basically, because the other cylinder is high pressure, you would have to open up the feed to do the hot. But that means you have to close the blow off for the existing system, and you have to close other feeds that are further down there. Now the biggest problem with this is that once the boiler's up and running again, somebody's got to gain access to do these taps. Now it would have to be an engineer because basically the ladies that work here cannot physically get in the loft, and if you leave this blow off shut, that is a ticking time bomb. So I just thought I'd show you a really bad installation where you just can't, you need to know what you're doing when you're installing these unvented cylinders.
This next one, this is a gas leak. Looks like it's a Baxi. I had one very similar to this a little while ago. Didn't make as much mess as this. If we have a look on the heat exchanger on the left here, you can just see it's all split. So the one we had, we caught it before it made as much damage as this. So it just goes to show how important it is to have your boiler serviced and also serviced correctly. This one here just shows you some interesting pipework underneath a boiler. Looks like it's a Ravenite boiler. This one to me is absolutely shocking. This is an old back boiler and clearly it's not been serviced for a long time. It's very important that you get back boilers or any open fluid appliance serviced every year. This could be fatal because this would have been giving out a lot of carbon monoxide. Absolutely shocking, to be honest. It's probably as old as me, this boiler. So I'm sure you'll agree, some absolutely shocking content, shocking videos there. It's very important that you have your boiler serviced and checked, so please have your boilers checked and serviced. Thank you once again, Ian, for that. And if there's anybody else who's got any interesting videos or pictures, then please I'll add my details below. I'll add my WhatsApp number below, and you can WhatsApp in any videos that you have, and I'll try and add them onto this channel if I can. Yeah, so that was just a really quick video for a Saturday morning. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and thank you to everybody who helps, supports, likes, shares, and yeah, all that stuff. It means a lot to me. We're coming up to 30,000 subscribers now, which is, I'm just blown away with that. It's just crazy, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks very much. As I say, enjoy your weekend. Thank you.